Hello, I am Hiren Taylor and welcome back to Arduino project and code. In this video, I am going to explain about GSM based fire or alcohol alert system. So I have used MQ135 sensor to detect this fire or alcohol. For control purpose, I have used Arduino Uno, and to show the output, I have used buzzer and LED. Now, I have also mentioned it as GSM based because once you will have the fire or alcohol detected with the help of this MQ135, I will send a SMS to the user and I will also inform with the help of call. So therefore I am using a SIM900A GSM module. So first I will tell you about this interfacing diagram, and then I will show you the hardware and code, and finally the demonstration. So first I have interfaced this MQ135 with Arduino. I have connected plus and ground to plus and ground respectively, and then analog output of MQ135 is connected to A1 pin of the Arduino. The buzzer have a 2 pin, the plus and the ground. So ground is connected to the ground and the plus is connected to the pin number 9 of the Arduino. Similarly, for LED, I have connected the anode to the pin number 4 of the Arduino and another cathode is to the ground. So make sure that every ground is a common, and then this project will work. And finally, we have this SIM900 module. It has a 3 pin TX, RX and ground. So ground will be connected to the ground, the TX will be connected to the pin number 8 of the Arduino, and RX will be connected to the pin number 7 of the Arduino. So this is the interfacing diagram, and finally provide a 12 volt voltage to this GSM module separately, and that's it for the interfacing. So this is MQ135, and you can see that I have connected a green wire to the A1 pin of the Arduino and plus VCC and ground. And this is our SIM900A module. So this is antenna, and here we have to provide the supply, and these are the 3 pin, that is ground, TX, RX, which are need to be connected at pin number 7 and 8 of the Arduino. And ground is common over here. I have connected all ground over here, and this is LED, and I have used a 220 ohm resistor in series with the LED to protect the LED, and one part is grounded and another one is connected to the pin number 4 of the Arduino, and this is the buzzer. One terminal is ground and the positive terminal is connected to the pin number 9 of the Arduino, and this is how you need to interface. This is the mobile phone on which I am going to send SMS and as well as the call as an alert. So let's see the programming part. So this is our project code. First I have used software serial.h header file, which will help us to communicate with GSM module. 7 and 8 pin of GSM module are connected to Arduino Uno, so that's why I have mentioned my SIM 7,8, and these are the buzzer pin, LED pin, then AQ sensor pin. And here in a void setup, first of all we have to define the baud rate as 9600, then you have to mention that whether the pin are input or output to the Arduino. So our MQ135 is input to the Arduino, buzzer and LED are output. Initially they are low because we want to keep them off, and in a void loop we have our logic. So here you can see that first I have used analog read command to read the status of MQ135, and whatever measurement that we are getting, that is if ppm is greater than the threshold, I have mentioned threshold as 250. So if it is greater than 250, then we will send SMS to the user, and this is our text fire detected, and this is a function send SMS which will be at below, and with the help of this user will get the SMS if fire is detected. Then we will turn on the buzzer, we will turn on the LED, and we will wait for 5 seconds, and then we will call a user. Sometimes it happens that user is not reading message, so we will also call a user to inform that at particular site fire is detected or alcohol is detected. So this is ATD command. Here you have to write down your phone number, mobile number, and finally you will see the calling, and after 50 seconds we will hang up the call. So basically user will be informed via call. Now if we are below the threshold, at that time the LED and buzzer will be turned off and no SMS will be sent. So this is our function send SMS. Here you can see that we have 80 plus CMGF equal to 1, and this is for sending an SMS, and here you have to again write your number to which you want to send a SMS. So in the end we have used a character 26. It is for Control Z. So with the help of that you can come out from the SMS mode, and then again you can jump to the next dial mode. And update serial is useful for sending information to the serial monitor and reading information from there. So for that I have used the update serial. So this is our code. Next I am going to upload this code to the Arduino board. So now I am going to connect this USB cable to PC, and then we will go to the tool and check the COM port, and we will make sure that Arduino Uno board is selected. Now I am going to upload this code to the Arduino Uno board. So we have done uploading, and now you can see that I have inserted a SIM card over here, and right now there is no fire and no alcohol is detected, so we are not receiving any SMS right now. I am going to open a serial monitor. So you can see system is initializing and no fire detected. Right now level is 212. So next I am going to keep alcohol near to this sensor, and we'll see what happened. Fire is detected. I have received SMS, and you can see that I have received a call also. So let me just turn off buzzer. So you can see that everything is working perfectly. I hope this is helpful to you. And again, if you will look at the serial monitor, after 50 seconds you will see that call is end up, because I have set a 50 second with consideration of caller tune. So yes, we have hang up call, and again we have value which is below the 200, therefore it is said that no fire detected. So this is how you can design GSM based alcohol or fire detected system, and I hope this is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.